Hello everyone, welcome to our video today. I'm going to introduce the new products on my right hand. This is a fruit display shelvings, and let me give you the overall dimensions first. For the unit's overall length, it is about like a 47 and 1 4 inches wide, and include the basket overall depths. They are about like a 14 and 1 4 inches deep, and the overall heights they are about like a 59.5 inches tall. And we can see the models, they can having the two sections, the display rackets on each of the layers. Total have about like a 5 layers, so 10 racks. And for each of the baskets, it is about like a 14 inches wide and 22.5 inches long. And the depth is about like a 3 inches deep. And all the shelvings, the basket is removable. It's easy for you to clean the baskets. So this will be the all demonstration information about the products. If you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.